Here's the upper corner of a Corvette door. So there's where the window rides in here. I got a door that this piece is pretty well shot on that I need to repair. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. There's also one at the front that I need to repair. Here's the rear corner. You can see right there. It's ate up. About half of it's gone. So we're going to try to make this door look like that door. This is the front upper corner, this area here. It's pretty well tore up on the other door as well. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to fix that. This is the front upper of the door that needs fixed. You can see this whole corner's gone. So we're going to get that replaced. And the same thing to do is make some templates out of cardboard. These are pretty simple. Got one for the little square in the back and one for the piece in the front. So next thing I need to do is transfer those to a piece of steel and cut them out on the bandsaw. Okay, there's our patch pieces. See, they're cut out. They're just slightly oversized, which is fine. I can always cut them down later. And the line right there is where this one's going to get the bend. So that's the next step on the agenda. We'll put a 90-degree bend in that and then start fitting. Okay, I got the 90 in the piece. See that? And it goes in here like so. This turned out to be in a lot better condition than I thought, so I ground it back, and I'm going to butt this up and weld the whole mess in. Just butt weld it, but I got to get this piece trimmed to where it fits right first. But that's where we're at now. I got to trim a little more off the back side. Once I get it fit, I need to put that hole in it and then tack it in place. All right. See how the patch fits in there. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. Nothing a welder can't fix. So once I get this welded in, be a little smoothing out, a little grinding. Should look good as new. You can see that patch fit in there. Same way I ground it back to where got some good metal. Just butt it together. Usually not a big fan of butt welds, but these are not structural, so just making it look pretty. Once we do that, we're in business. I got to dig out the welder. There's the first one tacked in. Had to move inside because the wind was blowing pretty good and it was blowing my gas away. So anyway, tacked in there, a little grinding, a little smoothing, probably a couple more welds and it's done. Alright, there's the finished patch on the front. And I got to drill a hole in there so I can get to that screw. That's definitely going to get changed before this is all said and done. But anyway, a little bit of filler and you'll never know the difference there. Same with the one on the rear. Just a little bit of filler and you'll never know there was a patch. There's some filler on the fresh patch. It's kind of smeared on there pretty good. That batch was starting to go off on me and I didn't have time to be nice and dainty about it. I just smeared it on there. Same way with the other end. But anyway, should be coming along. Okay, there's the finished patch on the front of the door. And it looks pretty good. Really didn't take all that long. I spent more time digging the welder out than I did doing most anything else on this whole deal. But anyway, that's all there is to doing it. And you just got to do it. Nothing magic about it. Just do it. There's the patch on the rear of the door. It needs a little fine tuning when I go over the rest of the door to prep it for paint, but for all intents and purposes it's done. And that's all there is to fixing those kind of spots. Nothing to it, just got to do it.